Hey there everyone, and welcome to this video from the American Institute of Personal Injury Physicians. This video is Start Your PI Cases at the End. My name is Dr. Scott Tauber, and I will be guiding you through this presentation. Now, this one concept, starting your cases at the end, is counterintuitive for many physicians out there. That certainly goes against what our training was, where we start our patients at the beginning, right? History, examination, possible diagnostic imaging, and so on. And it's certainly not what you do with all your other patients that present to your office. This is pretty personal injury specific. Let's talk about the reasons why and some considerations. The question to ask yourself is, how is this going to look later on? Your personal injury patient, the case, and the overall documentation and management. As you already know, all of your personal injury cases are scrutinized. You have to send in your records and bills, whether it's to the first party or at the end to the third party. Let's talk about those for just a second. If we're talking about the third party, that could be the claims adjuster, it could be a defense attorney, it may be a mediator or arbitrator somewhere down the road, possibly even a judge. I realize that for many of you, your cases don't go to court, but there are the med-legal processes prior to that sometimes your cases will go into, and we'll talk about that in just a second. The third party is really evaluating your cases at the end for discrepancies, and their job is to make arguments related to documentation and management, what you did, what you didn't do. Those arguments could be patient-related, they could be management-related, and so on. Some of those could include delays in care or gaps in care or missing symptoms or inconsistent symptoms, just to name a few. The first party, whether it's PIP or MedPay, is scrutinized because there's a possibility of a records review or an IME. And is the care that you're providing your patient medically necessary or substantiated by your documentation? And then also there's the representing attorney that's going to look at your cases at the end. And they have to overcome arguments or issues sometimes contained in your records. They could be patient-related, collision-related, treatment-related, management-related, and so on. By looking at your cases objectively and not through the treatment lens, you can begin to improve your PI cases immediately. All right, so here are some specific steps. Anticipate scrutiny, whether it's third party or first party, and in what context. Is it a claims adjuster, a records reviewer, IME, and so on? Prepare each case as if it's going to court. As I mentioned, many PI cases don't go to court, but it's really a good idea from the standard to be able to document and manage as if your cases are going to be going to court. And then finally, common issues. Avoid the common issues as we described earlier. Correct them, document them, make sure that you're handling them correctly in your records. All right, thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can reach us at info, I-N-F-O, at AIPIP.com or at 888-924-7479. We'll see you again on another AIPIP video, and here's to your personal injury success.